Here is the wax. Yeah. I'm gonna put flour. Cause you're supposed to put baby powder, but we don't have that. So I'm gonna put flour. My African sponge is here. So you guys know I am officially single. So hit me up. My Instagram is Logan. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's black.
You're going to be in the video. Do you know that? You're going to be in the video. Okay, this is not what I need. We are back. Oh yes. It worked! Let me
Wait, let me see.
It worked!
Bro,
Oh no! Ew! I am so happy. Oh,
let me see.
except for this
Like
little
that
patch.
whole area.
But I gotta hurry up before it cools down. More came off, and they're coming from the root. Peanut butter again. I don't know what's going wrong. I'm just gonna keep putting it. Frustrated because everybody that tries it on YouTube, it's working for them. Like nobody's having this issue, and it's like my 10th time trying the recipe. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I powdered my armpits this time. I applied the wax in the right direction. Like, I don't know what else to do, so this was a fail, and I'm sad, so I'm gonna go now.